Keling Medical Devices Company, Limited is a medical device professional R&D and production enterprise with over 25 years of brand reputation. Under braking, remove the leg plate. Move the orthopedic traction rack to the rear of the operating table. Adjust the height of the operating table so that it is consistent. Insert the connecting rod completely into the reserved hole and lock it tightly. Loosen the locking device at one end of the tractor to adjust the position horizontally. Loosen the adjusting locking device. Operating table to proper height. Locking bracket height adjustment locking device. Pull out the traction rack card. Release tightening device. Adjust spacing as required. Finally, tighten the fastening device to complete adjustment. Loosen fastening device to adjust the height. Loosen fastening device to adjust horizontal position. Loosen fastening device to adjust angle.
Adjust your elevation angle.
When in use, pull out the handle. Use a backward folding handle. Shake the handle for traction.